Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. The beauty of our Indian cuisine is that we can make the same dish in so many different styles. We've cooked the classic Mangalorean chicken curry, the oil-free fish curry, so different. But today, I'm going to make another one of my personal favorites because it is so easy to cook. Just 4 ingredients and it's called the easy Kerala style chicken. Just a bit of coconut oil and a dash of ghee for flavor. And va-va-voom, let's get cooking. 4 cups of water. It's already boiling water. So we save up on gas. अनियंस को फ्राई करने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है. 2 अनियंस को काटे हैं हमने, स्लाइस किए हुए हैं. Just put in that. 4 to 5 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's it. Just bring it to a boil. उसके बाद आप इसमें अपना raw chicken add करेंगे. Just cover it. आज हमने कश्मीरी चिली पाउडर का इस्तेमाल किया है and 5 teaspoons. Don't worry, it only has a beautiful color. It's really not that spicy. But the flavor that it adds to this dish and the kick that it gives to this dish is really wonderful. Very nice. उबाल आ गया है. It's time to add in our chicken. 600 grams. You can use 600 grams of just drumsticks. यहाँ पे मैंने breast के pieces भी use किए हैं. Just add it in. अब इसमें हम salt डालेंगे. Teaspoon of coconut oil. कुछ लोगों को coconut oil अच्छा नहीं लगता है. If you want to use maybe a vegetable oil, that's fine. But coconut oil is very synonymous with Kerala, even Mangalore. Now you reduce the gas to medium and you just let it simmer for around 20 to 25 minutes. Chicken के pieces को निकालिए. Now we just shift the gravy into a skillet. We're doing this because we want the gravy consistency to be slightly thicker. वैसे तो आप कम पानी का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. हमने 4 ग्लास यूज़ किए हैं. My cook makes it with 3. Here we get a little more gravy. That's our only advantage. Now you add in the chicken, back again. This dish is really proof of life. If you keep it simple, you actually end up enjoying the flavor. And it's amazing how you can just add 3 ingredients into a dish and it turns out so flavorful. Onions, turmeric powder and chili powder. Now you add in ghee. That's it. If you want the gravy thickened, then you have to obviously let it cook a little longer, but for me this consistency is great. अब आप इसमें add करेंगे chopped coriander and your dish is ready. That's it. Serve it. Garnish it with some coriander. Just 4 ingredients and so much flavor. This easy Kerala style chicken can be had with rotis, rice, appams or even neer dosas. So you go and try this one and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tab tak ke liye swasth raho, mast raho.